Do you have these hair problems? 1. Hair growth slow. 2. Want the hair to grow faster. 3. Sparse hair. 4. Want to thicken and increase the hair volumes. 5. Hair loss. 6. Harmed hair caused by perming and dyeing. 7. Hard hair that's easy to break. 8. Dry and frizzy. 9. Splitting and unruly hair. 10. Dull and dim hair. Andrea Hair Growth Essence Hair Loss Reviews. Item specifics. Product name, Andrea Hair Growth. Specifications, 20 ml. Effects, with unique function of nourishing and moistening the hair, the essence helps the hair to grow 2-3 times faster. Ingredients, all natural ingredients such as Old Ginger King, ginseng essence, Rocanob, Polygonum multiflorum, grapeseed oil, and plants. Shelf life, 3 years. How to use: add 3 ml essence to every 100 ml shampoo. Caution: try to use it up within 4 months after opening. Ingredient product. Take care of beauty with unique function of nourishing and moistening the hair, the essence helps the hair to grow faster. All natural ingredients such as 1. Old Ginger King. 2. Ginseng essence. 3. Polygonum multiflorum. 4. Grapeseed oil and plants. Scientifically grow new hair. Bring youth back to you. 15 days prevent hair loss and help hair follicles to grow small black spots. 30 days new fine hairs grow very fast. 60 days new hairs get thickened and strengthened. 90 days new hair continuously grow. Oh, this is Andrea Hair Growth Essence Hair Loss Liquid 20 ml. Andrea Hair Growth Essence. Although the hair growth essence can make the hair smooth and repair the hair, it cannot completely replace hair conditioner. Dry and damaged hair still needs to use hair mask or hair conditioner. But please be sure to keep the mask conditioner away from your scalp, as it contains silicones oil which is insoluble in water and will be glued to hair follicles, affect metabolism, cause hair loss, affect the absorption of the essence and ultimately affect usage effect. The usage effect depends on situation of individual absorption. It might take 2-3 weeks to be effective. Andrea Hair Growth Essence Hair Loss Liquid 10,554 orders. Average star rating, 4.6 out of 5. Buyer protection. Full refund if you don't receive your order. Payment methods. We support the following payment methods. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.